What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. You're now tuned into Exclusively Me TV. You are new here. Welcome, lovely. If you're a returner, what it is, what's up? Today, y'all, I am vlogging. Yes, I'm vlogging, but not off my camera like I told y'all I was supposed to get. It is still currently being held for hostage, but I'm so ready and excited to keep pushing out content. It doesn't make any sense. Today, I am gonna go get my MacBook. It is currently ready at my local Best Buy. It's ready for pickup. So I'm just waiting on my mom to come and pick us up so we can get on the road and go get this MacBook. And then by the time this video uploads, I should have some pretty cool edits up in here. So I'm super excited. I've never owned a MacBook, so yes, I feel like I ain't never had nothing every time I get some new stuff. Better appreciate what you got and what you have and what you can get and what you're saving up for. I said it. Now, I'm trying to get used to this little vlog thing. I'm not really sure, you know what I'm saying? I watch a lot of vlogs, but when it come down to you vlogging, it's like, what? But I'm gonna definitely try my best, y'all. So I'll be back once we get in the car and we're rolling. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Some news. So y'all, I actually didn't get to go and pick it up or whatever, but my lovely sister went to Best Buy herself and picked it up for me. So, booyah! Let's get us a thumbnail. Y'all know I gotta get a thumbnail. What's wrong with y'all? All right, let's get into it. Oh, I gotta go get it. Here we go. So I purchased the MacBook Pro something. It's a 13-inch MacBook Pro. It's got headphone jack, stereo speakers, full-size backlit Magic Keyboard, Bluetooth, FaceTime with an HD camera. What else? It's got 8 gigabytes. Y'all, I'm explaining this so bad. Let's just open it, okay? I'm over it. Let's just open it. Let's dig into it. Merry Christmas to me. Like I said, I ain't never had one, so this is exciting. Oh, let me do my Black business shout out. Shout out to Bryant Tyson. He gave it to me for my birthday. Wow, y'all. Another ring light right there. Wow. Let's see. You got the little fat charger. And that's all it came in with. It's got the computer inside of the box. It's probably too white. Inside of the box came with the charger. And that's about it. This bad boy open. Oh my goodness. It feels so good, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look, if you get the chance to do something for yourself, do it. Okay? It is very important to do things for yourself. You're probably super mom, you're probably super sister, you're probably super dad, you're probably super grandma, but there's just one thing that you've always wanted and you feel like you can't get it because you're always running around for everybody else. No. That stops now. That stops today. Whatever you want, you go get it. That's your... That was my rant. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Thank you so much for coming to my unboxing/vlog. I hope everyone has a nice day. Don't forget, I'm on the road to 100 subscribers. So every subscriber counts. And please watch the video all the way through. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway for a 4-piece set of custom shot glasses. Don't forget that. What else? Comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.